17th. Hey, clown, you gotta yield. Yeah, you're handicapped, all right. Between the ears. 10:15. I guess feels like low 70s. We've just turned off A1A. We were headed towards Ferdinand Beach. Now we have turned north on US 17. Come on over, Rover. I bet kids can't play Red Rover anymore. It's probably too violent. This transmission's not wanting to shift, people. There we go. We get to St. Mary's River up here at the boat ramp. We will do a relearn, turning the switch on and leaving it on about 3 or 4 minutes, turning it off and doing it again 3 times to see if it'll reset the transmission. It's in second, not wanting to go to third. Parts, man. We need one with a good motor and transmission. Maybe rebuild the motor ourselves, not the transmission. It should be in third, it should be in overdrive, but it's not even in third gear. Zippy. I really don't want to drive all the way back to Georgia in second gear. I think it may have just shifted to third. No. For gas mileage too. It ought to be in overdrive, but it's just in second. It's missed 2 shifts. Transfer on it, so it shouldn't overheat the transmission. We'll make the engine run warmer too. Burn up a lot more gas. I said we're going to try to do a reset up here. cool off down to 0, or down to normal. Well, it's at normal, but down, y'all know what I mean. Okay, I see 95 up there, so we are close to the Georgia-Florida line. Stay at the St. Mary's River, that boat launch, for a while. We won't even know if the reset's going to work until we start back off. Another agricultural stop. A1A back to Georgia on US 17. We'll work on these videos. That'll give us 2 to upload. Other side of the freeway is an abandoned motel. I'd like to get onto it, do a video of it, but it's private property. Guess I can send the drone up, but I don't know if we have our electrical part connection cleaner in the van here with us or not. If we do, we may spray the computer connections. Yeah, right there on the right. American Inn. I don't know how long it's been abandoned. It'd really be a good video to get it, but it's private property. We won't mess with it. Reset doesn't work, I guess we'll work our way back up to Brunswick to start with. reverse. At least the transmission is downshifting, not getting stuck. Well, I say it's not getting stuck, it's stuck in second. I guess it's downshifted. It feels like it downshifted a little. We're going to turn around and then we will clown around here a little bit. We'll do a reset first, then we'll clown around here a little bit. If we had anything to fish with, we would try our luck at fishing. Backing up in reverse might have some effect on this transmission. Let's go up a bit and then back up in reverse. Give a couple of things a try. We'll do a reset. And I said we won't know if it's going to work until we start off again. Till we start off again and find out whether it resets. Okay, we're going to turn it off and we're going to turn the yeah, see, it's not, it's stuck in high gear or second gear. We're going to turn it off and do a relearn. Okay, we're about to start back off. We've done the relearn. I'll let y'all up. I'll update y'all on this. We'll go up here and start off and see if it shifts. Well, it went back down to low instead of staying locked in second anyway. Know until the first shift should be at about 15 the way we'll start off. We may all start off fast, I don't know. Nobody coming. First shift shifted smooth. Second shift smooth. Shifted, but did it shift then? I'm not sure. I don't think it went into overdrive. Okay, it's shifting. Okay, let's turn this off. This will be a wrap.